everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about a very important topic, that is subjects and supervisors. So make sure you like this video. So before we start, a special thank you to everybody who has made this presentation possible. The presentation is made by Lucky Ducky and Japanese Doll, my fellow principals. Voiceovers done by Madam Nut, that's me, and editing done by Miss Jia, who is a student of our school and has been very helpful by editing and making these videos for us. So thank you everybody who has done this for Dhamma. So in this session, you will learn about the subjects that we teach at Dhamma and their supervisors. So enjoy and make sure to subscribe and like this video and turn on the post notifications. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you say the word subject? Yes, the teaching pattern. So at Dhamma, we follow a very contextual teaching pattern. The subjects we teach at Dhamma are looked through and planned by the principals. Each student is allowed to choose only 3 subjects. If they want to change it later, they can always approach the principal and ask them to change it. Remember, students can only change their subject 3 times in their entire Dhamma career. So, every student can only change their subject thrice. Subjects and popularity. Now, the subjects that we teach at Dhamma are funniness, jokiness, failing in normal subjects, and spreading happiness. So, looking at this chart, you can get to know the popularity of each subject. Remember, we have made this chart by taking our students, supervisors and other members' opinions. So as you can see, jokiness is most popular among students, funniness is most popular among supervisors, and happiness is most popular among others. So you can take a look at this chart for better idea of the popularity of each subject in Dhamma. And always remember, students, the presentations and everything is made by the principals very carefully. Now, supervisors. What are supervisors? So supervisors are basically people who guide you in a particular subject which they excel in. So they are not your teachers. They are student leaders in a few particular subjects. The only teachers at Dhamma are the principals. Always remember that. If a supervisor does not do his or her duties well, he or she can be replaced by another student in the class who is doing very well in their respective subject. So a supervisor will be replaced if principals get lot of complaints from the students about the supervisor. A principal will attend one of the class a supervisor is taking and see how the teaching methods are. If the principals find the teaching methods incorrect, they will replace the supervisor with another student in the class, which they will pick out when they are attending the class conducted by a supervisor. So our supervisors. In our school, we have 3 supervisors, SN, MV and SA. So SN is in charge of funniness, MV is in charge of jokiness, and SA is in charge of failing. So you might be thinking, we have 4 subjects and only 3 supervisors. Well, that's because the last subject, that is spreading happiness, is personally looked into by the principals, is because it gets lot of students and there are high admissions for that subject, and the principals are only that experienced to handle such students in high numbers. Now, what are the duties of these three supervisors? So, SN is in charge of students who wish to take up her subject, funniness. So, she basically makes students a more funnier and a light-hearted person who has a very funny and happy approach to things in life. SA leads all students who choose her subject failing. Her students are people who feel that studying normal subjects is not going to do them any good. So they rather fail in that and learn much better subjects like spreading happiness. So MV is a guide for students who have chosen jokiness. So jokiness is a subject which teaches students to crack jokes in their difficult times, which will make their mood lighter and they can solve their problems easily. And also students, remember, if you have any difficulty, you can approach your principals, because like we have said in our last video, they are your friends. And if you haven't seen the last video, please go and watch it, because it's a really nice video just like this one. And also students, remember, if you have any complaint against a supervisor, you can write a letter, an official letter, and email it or give it to the principals if you meet them, or you can WhatsApp them. And always remember that all the three subjects are equally important and no subject is more important than the other. Now, levels of profession. As you can see in this pie chart, we have looked through and carefully made this by looking at the levels of profession and teaching methods of the three supervisors. So as you can see, the green is SN. She has been with our school for the longest time. She is one of the most learned and experienced supervisors in her subject. Thus, we have given her the most points. Then we have MV. This supervisor has been with our school for the least time, but we are very proud of her because she is doing a very good job and students are enjoying her lectures. Then SA is also a very good supervisor. She has been with our school for a little longer than MV and she is doing a very good job as well. All the three supervisors are doing a very good job and all students like them a lot. All supervisors are amazing for all of us. So thank you everybody for watching this video. I wish you all the best and make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the post notifications. Bye for now.